Hey, I'm Jess. I'm Sustainability Manager at the Ginninderry development, and today I'm here with Sanjay from Daana Restaurants and Peter, who also works at Daana Restaurant and with me out at Ginninderry. We are introducing an integrated home energy package as part of our commitment to building a sustainable community. And part of that includes induction cooktops. So Sanjay, tell us what we're cooking today.
Okay, so we're doing the demonstration for two dishes today. Malabar chicken curry and to go along ghee fried rice.
So have you used an induction cooktop before?
Absolutely yes, we use it at home very regularly. I think one of the best dishes for our kitchen we have made.
Yep.
We have gas as well,
Yep.
but we use induction more.
And I've done that really quickly as well, so
Yes,
one of the things,
very quick.
it's quite an efficient way of heating.
Yes.
So instead of it heating up the air outside or the whole pot, it's just heating up the base.
Absolutely yes.
And it's quite
Now-
even then too. So again, cleaning up nice and quick.
Nice and quick.
That's what I like to see.
We were not aware of the new technology available to us, but once we used it, I definitely recommend for everyone. In terms of the features it has of safety, efficiency, it ticks all the boxes basically. Yeah, and that's it.
That's delicious, Sanjay. Thanks
Thank
so
you,
much.
Jess. Thank you.
If anyone would like to try out the recipe, that'll be on our website at ginninderry.com, or you can visit Sanjay and Peter at Daana Restaurant in Curtin. Thanks so much for being here today, Sanjay.
Thank you for
Really
inviting
appreciate
us.
it.
Thank you very much.
And I'll just keep on eating.
Please
Thank
enjoy
you.
your meal. Thank you.